What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to take you through the 9 best affiliate marketing programs online for beginners in 2019. Now, these are programs that I actually use myself. I've made money online with affiliate marketing from these particular programs, and I personally think they're the best for beginners because they're not too confusing. You can make good commissions and all that sort of stuff from these particular affiliate programs. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you take someone else's product and you promote that product for a commission, or you refer someone for a commission, and it's a very well-known method of making money online. And I've been making money online with this for a long time. And the best thing about this, guys, is it becomes completely passive depending on what type of traffic methods you use. So let's jump into the video, guys, and I'll show you the 9 best affiliate marketing programs. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell, hit that like button, and drop a comment below, guys, and tell me what your favorite affiliate marketing program is. So let's jump in and look at the program. All right, guys, so the first website we have here is called Clickbank.com. Now, Clickbank.com is a website where people upload their products to sell. It's a checkout platform. However, you can promote these products as an affiliate, and it's essentially become an affiliate marketplace. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see some of the products you can promote: surfing, singing, guitars, software, and up here we've got some sort of health stuff as well. You can promote any type of niche from this website, and there's lots of products that you can promote. Now, if we go into the back end, guys, this is me logged into Clickbank and I'm in the marketplace, and we click on, say, health and fitness, and we click on that there, it'll load up the particular products and we can see how much they're going to pay us, and we can see their affiliate page. So there's lots here, guys, but for example, this product here will pay us an average of $39 per sale. And they have an affiliate page, which is good because it's got all of the information that we need. So they've got banners, they've got resources, well, this one's just got banners, but some of them will have banners, emails, videos, and all that sort of stuff. And that's what I like about Clickbank, because they literally have everything you need. So all you do is sign up to Clickbank, go to the marketplace section, and click on the specific industry that you're interested in, and find products that you want to promote. And you can also use the search bar here. So if I put in sports, it'll show up particular products. All right, so here's a product that I actually promote. It's around about $40 per sale. And this isn't the account though, but if we go to the page here, and I can get banners, email swipes, and everything I need to go and promote this particular product on my website. So that's Clickbank, guys. That's a very good network to use to go and promote lots of products in different types of niches. Now, number 2 is really good as well. This is called JBzoo. Now, I only really use this for one thing, and I'll tell you that in a second, but I'll explain to you what JBzoo is. JBzoo is essentially like Clickbank, right? So people use JBzoo to upload their products, and then people come along and promote those products, like me or you, and stuff like that. There's softwares, courses on how to make money online and things like that. Now, what I don't really like about JBzoo is there's a lot of old school products that I don't really promote and stuff like that. But one of the best features that JBzoo has once you sign in is called the top sellers section. Now, the top sellers section will list particular products that are selling the best for that day. So for example, if you have a big email list, or you have some sort of list that you want to send products to, I want to go and make some money, you can come to JBzoo and you can go to the top seller section, and you can find particular products that you can go and promote to your email list or put up on your affiliate website, because we know that these are selling. We know that people are out there making money with this. And if we scroll down, we have top sellers yesterday, we have top sellers for the last 7 days, and we have top sellers for the past 30 days. So we know that these particular products are making a lot of money. Now, what kind of products are these, guys? There's all sorts of products here. Let's just have a look here. Load some up. So this is a video application. So I don't know what this does. I guess it must create videos. Obviously, that's what it's about probably. So this, you can go and promote this to, you can go do a YouTube video on how to make videos and possibly promote this application. Then we have this product here, which is another application or software. That's why I like JBzoo actually, because there's a lot of software. So if you have an email list that you've built up about Instagram, you might be able to find an Instagram software that you can promote to that list, okay? And they have really nice landing pages and stuff like that. Here's another one, a very, very nice product as well. So that, my friends, is JBzoo. However, I recommend you just go for the top sellers and promote those, because that's really the best way to do it. Now, the next site, guys, is more of a general site. It's really good. So you can literally get access to hundreds and thousands of merchants online in the fitness industry, bed industry, clothing industry, anything you like. So this is called ShareASale.com. And if we go into the back end here, I've actually signed into my account. You can see that there is lots of products. We have accessories, we've got automotive, books. So if we click on automotive and we go to automotive real quick, let's see what we've got that comes up. All right, so we've got carcovers.com, and they will pay you 10% per sale, which is not too bad. It's a little bit low in my opinion. I'd rather go for bigger stuff. We have this one here. They will pay you 10% commission as well. What else have we got here? Let's go to family, see what they got in the family industry. But you can see, like, if you're an Instagram influencer, if you're a blogger or anything like that, and you already have an audience, and let's say you're an influencer in fashion, you can go and find fashion products to go and promote online on your Instagram. We go down here, we've got some family stuff, 5% per sale, 15% per sale, that's more like it, $80 per sale, that's some sort of pet website, $10 per sale, 7%, which is a little bit low, $30 per sale, not too bad. That's actually really good, $30 per sale. I'm not sure what the Urban Sitter is. Maybe we'll have a click and see what's up with that. All right, so the Urban Sitter is some sort of babysitting network, and you can go and get an average of $40 per sale from that particular website. So ShareASale is another great website, guys, or affiliate network or program to go and find products to promote. There are hundreds, thousands of products that you can promote. So in any niche, so it doesn't matter what type of niche you're in, there is a product for every single niche. So that is ShareASale.com. Now, one of my favorites, guys, and one that I use today, and I've made quite a bit of money, I'll show you in a second, is called ClickFunnels.com. Now, ClickFunnels is a funnel building software. So people that want to build sales funnels, run webinars, build memberships, you can promote that for a commission. How much money can you make? You can make a lot. So this is my account right here, $137,000. I make around about $200 to $600 per day by promoting this particular software. Softwares are really good to promote because you can make good money, and it's a recurring commission. So I get paid a percentage, 40%, around about $38 per month when they sign up and use this particular program. And if you see down here, I'm getting around about 88 trials per week, or 100, I got 112 people trialing now. If those trials get converted into paying customers, I'm going to make a lot of money. Now, not only that, they actually have other programs you can promote, like courses, books, and stuff like that. So for this particular product here, I assume this is a course. I don't know much about it. So it's a masterclass, $297. You can make $118. We have this one here. You can make $38. $118, $198. So this is a really good affiliate marketing program. However, it's more for like the internet marketing industry and stuff like that. So teaching people how to make funnels, how to make money online, and all of that sort of good stuff. But this is a great affiliate marketing program to go out and do if you're in that niche. And it's really good, guys, to promote software because it's recurring commissions. And this is a good brand, a good product. Everyone knows about this product. You want to promote stuff that has a good, solid brand behind it, so people are actually searching and looking for stuff based on this particular product. Now, another affiliate marketing program, it's one of my favorites, I use it as well, and it's really undercover. It's called Invetocom. Now, if you scroll to the bottom of this website, you can sign up as an affiliate. Now, the best thing about this website is they have so many things you can promote. And here's an example. So we'll come back to this in a second. This is one of my websites here, 11 best Shopify themes. If we go down, I've listed all of these Shopify themes. I actually get a commission when someone purchases one of these themes, and I get it through Inveto. So they do so many things. You can get commissions for recommending designers, developers. You can get commissions for recommending tutorials. You can get commissions for people downloading music, anything, themes. So if we go to Inveto Market, digital assets, and we go to the Inveto Market, we have WordPress themes, hosting, HTML, marketing, email templates. We have all of this stuff, e-commerce stuff. We have plugins. We have code. We have videos. We have so much stuff that we can promote. So you can go and do articles on best WordPress themes, best Apple motion videos, best Premiere Pro elements, best Premiere Pro logo strings. And whenever somebody makes a purchase from this website, I get a commission. So when someone goes and searches best Shopify themes online, my website comes up and I get a commission every time someone clicks on this. it goes to that specific theme, and then when they purchase this theme for, wow, $10,000, that's got to be incorrect. Let's find a more accurate one. I think maybe they made a mistake on that. $10,000 is crazy. Here we go, that's better. That would be cool if I got a commission of 10 grand. So anyway, I think they've changed it because it used to be 50 bucks. So here, $49. If someone purchases this theme for $49, I get a commission, okay? So that's another great website, guys, and that's called Invetomarket.com. Go there, scroll to the bottom, and click on Become an Affiliate, and sign up to become an affiliate with them, and then you can start promoting via your affiliate link. Now the next one, guys, is another great one. This is really just in the health niche, but I've done a lot of stuff with this particular website. This is called healthmarket.com. If we go to offers, and we can actually see some of the offers, so we're just going to go all offers here, and we'll open this one up here, and we'll open this one up here. So you can actually get good money. So 30 bucks, $45 per sign up, $65 per sign up per person that actually pays money. And what this is here, this is teeth whitening. So you can do a website on teeth whitening or stuff like that. And if we go to this one here, this is a website on anti-aging treatment, okay? Now, what happens is when people go to these websites and they sign up and they purchase the product, you get a commission, okay? So this is some sort of skincare stuff. People go and add it to the cart. They sign up, they pay, and then you get a commission. Okay, so this one is great. It's called healthmarket.com affiliate network. Simply go to that one, sign up, and there's lots of health products that you can promote to people online. Now, another one of my favorites, guys, is called Perfly.com. Now, this is more for what we call CPA marketing. So we're not going to get into too much details in this video, but CPA marketing is essentially the same as a health market, cost per acquisition or cost per action. Basically with Perfly, you find affiliate offers like insurance, loan companies, health products, all sorts of stuff. And they pretty much do the same as the health market. They will pay you a set amount, so 40 bucks, 30 bucks per person you sign up, or they'll pay you per lead or something like that. And they have over 2,000 live offers on right now. So you can go to perfly.com, you can sign up as an affiliate. Now, this one, they do have to approve you. It is a little bit harder to get into this. But as you can see, they're a big brand. So Uber's using it, Fiverr is using it, bookings.com is using it, Beyond.com is using it, Target.com is using it. So you can go and promote Uber, Target, Fiverr. You can go and promote all of these big brands and make a commission from promoting these particular products. Now, another one that's great is Amazon Associates, one of the oldest affiliate marketing programs online, one of the biggest affiliate marketing programs online. Think about Amazon, and anything on Amazon, you can promote for a commission. You can earn up to 10% from recommending products from Amazon. 10% of that particular product. Now, the best thing about Amazon is they're really good at recommending products to people. And what that means is people will add something to the cart, and then they'll add more stuff to the cart. And then you might have a product that you're promoting that's worth $100, then all of a sudden you've made $1,000 off this person because they've added all of this other stuff to the cart, and you've made a lot more money from Amazon because of their great recommendation system. So Amazon Associates is great for beginners, probably one of the best affiliate marketing programs to use for beginners. Now, one of my favorites, guys, is promoting what we call web hosting. Check out these stats for a second. There is a blog, this is a live ticker. There is a website started literally every second of the day. A website right now starting. What people need is website hosting for their websites. You can promote website hosting programs. So Bluehost is basically a network where people go and start a website, okay? You can make up to, you just go click affiliates again, you can make up to $62 for each person you refer to them and then make a website under your link. However, the more people you send, the more money you make. I make $111 per referral. And there is so many people starting websites online, literally every single second of the day. This is one of the best and most lucrative ways to make money with affiliate marketing, is by referring people to web hosting platforms where they can start a blog, guys. This is a really good one, and you just do tutorials on how to create blogs and stuff like that, how to create websites on YouTube and on a website. So do an article on how to create a blog. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing, guys, I'll leave some videos up on the screen on the right. There is a free playlist there that will take you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business from scratch. And I'll also leave another video up there on how to make some money online. Now, don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite affiliate marketing program is. And I'll see you in one of the next videos.